Hello, welcome to Answers.
Google My Business. In this video, we are going to see why Google My Business is need for business. Top benefits of Google My Business. Let's see why Google My Business is needed for business. Google My Business provides you with the ability to list your business location on Google Maps and local search results. You can display important information about your business, including the opening closing times, contact details, or a link to your website. Top benefits of Google My Business. Google My Business allows you to appear in maps and Google local pack listings. It's highly visible. Google My Business allows people to leave reviews of your business. Google My Business provides insights that give you helpful information about your business. Google My Business Insight provide various information like views on business, search queries, engagement, audience, clicks on website link, and much more. Wonderful thing about Google My Business is it's completely free and easy to use by anyone. Now let's see how Answers will help your business performance using Google Map. We will register your business in Google My Business. If your business is already present in the Google My Business, we will claim your business and will register in your name. We will help your business to get verified in Google My Business with proper informations and follow-ups by our team. Our expert team will do keyword research based on your business, and we will update your business profile based on keywords to rank higher in Google search. Our expert team will regularly guide you in order to top in Google search and get engaged with your clients, which helps your business to perform effectively. With our excellent service and support to your business will perform effectively, which converts more sales to your business. Thanks for watching. For more details and support, click the link in the description. Our best wishes for your business.